Arirang Special.
The glitzy, eye-popping allure of South Korean entertainment continues to captivate the public in China. And with this, the country is increasingly becoming a battlefield for South Korean companies trying to get ahead of the game by winning over the hearts of China's 1.3 billion population. But the inextricable link between the two countries extends far beyond culture, tracing back to August 24, 1992, when South Korea and China officially established ties. It was a big move for both countries. Seoul terminated relations with Taiwan, while China abandoned its policy of only recognizing North Korea, a stance upheld from the 1950s to 80s. And for the past 24 years, Seoul-Beijing relations have improved by leaps and bounds, together with the Chinese economy that saw explosive growth. Until recently, the two countries enjoyed unprecedented intimacy in their relations, even in the field of security, in which Seoul has long held strong ties with Washington. Under President Park Geun-hye and Xi Jinping, South Korea-China ties were described as the best ever. But that took a turn in early July, when Seoul announced it would deploy the U.S. Terminal High Altitude Area Defense, or THAAD missile defense system, to the south. Walking through the crowds in South Korea, you hear sounds of the city's hustle and bustle, vendors trying to attract customers.
炸酱面看到了美女，是梨花网。哎呀，人家肉，披萨，这个就是卷的那种披萨，这个。
So that was all Chinese, not Korean, that you're hearing in the heart of Seoul, Myeongdong, which is also one of the busiest shopping districts in the capital. And that's why many have dubbed this area the island of Yoke, meaning the island of Chinese travelers. It's no wonder that the main street of Myeongdong is lined with cosmetics shops, one of the most popular products among Chinese tourists visiting South Korea. And the growing influx of these visitors has made local shop owners heavily dependent on their sales. The number of Chinese tourists in the first 7 months of this year rose sharply from 2 years ago, accounting for almost half of the total number of visitors to the country. There's no doubt that they're some of the biggest spenders at local duty-free shops as well. At this store in Seoul, 7 out of 10 customers are Chinese, and a whole floor is dedicated to cosmetics.
满意用的一直都是韩国的化妆品，然后这次过来也主要就是来买化妆品的。对，在中国特别流行。
很好啊，觉得很好用，而且性价比很高。
That's why a drop in this steady stream of Chinese tourists would spell serious trouble for many South Korean businesses, especially those closely linked to tourism. Many already experienced sharp losses during the MERS outbreak that crippled the tourism sector last year. Major duty-free shops saw sales plunge around 20% on year in June when the outbreak was at its peak. And similar concerns are looming once again after Seoul decided to deploy the THAAD system, stirring up strong opposition from Beijing.
사실은 저희도 굉장히 좀 중요한 부분이기 때문에 추이를 계속 지켜보고 있고요. 근데 아직까지는 큰 영향은 없습니다. 그래서 저희가 국경절 10월 1일부터 시작되는 국경절 때 아마 그 상황이 조금 확실하게 나올 것 같고요. 큰 영향 없도록 저희도 준비하고 있습니다.
So, what is THAAD? The Terminal High Altitude Area Defense is a U.S. missile defense system built by Lockheed Martin designed to intercept short and medium-range ballistic missiles up high in the atmosphere or outside of it. Seoul says it needs the system to counter threats from North Korea, which has been ratcheting up military provocations, including a series of missile launches and its fourth nuclear test in January this year. China worries that will destabilize the regional security balance and says the system's radar may be used to track its military movements. The country's state-run media slammed the planned deployment, and it's this sentiment that poses a real threat, especially to South Korea's entertainment industry, which relies heavily on the Chinese market. A latest survey conducted by Chinese social media platform Weibo indicates almost 9 out of 10 respondents will support the Chinese government if it decides to ban South Korean celebrities from local TV programs. Plenty of unconfirmed rumors are already circulating that state-run CCTV has prohibited television shows featuring South Korean celebrities.
Interesting enough, is actually argument for retaliation has been proposed by the media and some experts, not the government. So Chinese government has never said any kinds of retaliation or sanction vis-a-vis South Korea. They have said it's too much. THAAD is too much. Says actually they are against the deployment of THAAD. Those are the statements they have made. But they have never said any specific measure they are going to take vis-a-vis South Korea. That means they do not want to hit the worst. Maybe they do not want to worsen relations between the two countries because they see the clear necessity of having good relations with South Korea.
The smell of fresh-baked bread fills the air, while K-pop music catches the ears of Chinese customers as they enter this South Korean bakery. The baked goods here are wildly popular.
可能就是每次我来的时候，基本上都能做上刚出来的吧，比较新鲜。
Right beside the bakery is a Korean restaurant out to capture the taste buds of local consumers.
我每次都点不一样的，但是都觉得挺好吃的。
Both places are operated by the South Korean conglomerate CJ, which runs a whole gamut of businesses in China, including food services and entertainment. It's one of the pioneers in this market, and over the years it has changed how it does business. During the early 1990s, it focused on using China as a production base, but now it's all about cultivating demand from local consumers.
저희 CJ가 갖고 있는 사업 포트폴리오가 중국 소비자들이 좋아하는 문화를 소비하는 또 새로 어떤 고급화된 식문화 이런 거에 대한 수요가 좀 커지면서 저희 이제 한국 식품, 저희도 CJ의 어떤 제품이나 서비스도 많이 좀 좋아하고 계시고요.
It's this marriage of culture and consumption that has helped companies take off in China. The simple idea of trying out Korean food is often driven by other interests in popular culture.
看韩剧啊，对的呀，看一些吧，看什么《太阳的后裔》。
韩国料理经常吃烤肉什么的，然后那个牛肉火锅。
국경 상해를 조사해보니 한식재단에서 조사한 건데 외식당 중에는 뭐 일본 식당, 뭐 서양 식당, 뭐 이태리 식당, 미국 식당 뭐 이런 게 있는데 한국 식당이 제일 많아요. 그 얘기 이제 바꿔 얘기하면 그만큼 한국 음식에 대한 그 중국 소비자들의 선호도가 있다라는 걸 저희 판단하는 거고.
South Korea's processed food exports to China more than doubled to over $600 million last year from 4 years ago, taking up 4.5% of China's processed food import market. It also saw a near 20% rise from a year earlier. The upward trend came despite a drop in South Korea's overall exports to China by over 5% last year, And the popularity of Korean pop culture extends beyond food, trickling into other industries like cosmetics. To get a closer look at the actual trends, I visited a local beauty shop to experience things firsthand. A quick glance at the assistant manager's sizable pouch of cosmetic products here reveals no shortage of Korean makeup brands.
然后现在慢慢的，因为韩剧的一些影响力，就是韩流对中国的一个影响力，后面来说的话，其实，韩妆的一个影响力会更多一些。
Using Hallyu as a firm foothold, South Korean companies are bolstering efforts to meet growing demand in the country and expand their horizons. While this burgeoning market of 1.3 billion is providing lucrative opportunities for many South Korean companies facing slumbering demand at home, Korea already stands as one of China's most important trading partners through a tight-knit web of production. By exporting intermediary goods to this neighboring market, which are then used to produce final products, Korea has played an integral role in the explosive growth of China's trade volume over the past 2 decades. In 2013, China overtook the U.S. to become the world's largest trading nation. South Korea stands as the country's #1 import partner, taking in more than 1/10 of Beijing's total inbound shipments. And China is the top export partner for South Korea, receiving more than 1/4 of its total outbound trade. This close link that the two countries share in the global value chain has helped China sophisticate its industrial structure.
우리 삼성 반도체라든가 현대 자동차라든가 하이닉스라든가 우리 그 LCD나 반도체 자동차 분야의 어떤 글로벌 기업들이 이미 중국에서 아주 큰 공장을 짓고 수십억 달러를 투자해서 중국의 산업 고도화의 주체가 되어 있습니다. 그래서 그 어떤 그런 중국의 그 반도체 산업의 발전, 또 LCD 산업의 발전, 자동차 산업의 발전에 한국이 가장 중요한 파트너 중에 하나이기 때문에.
In fact, investment from South Korea to China has been on the rise, especially after a bilateral free trade pact went into effect late last year. Roughly 20,000 South Korean companies are doing business in the country, and more of them are gearing up to jump into the market.
2004년 62.5억 달러 투자한 게 한국의 대중투자의 어떤 기록적인 부분인데 거기에 약간의 못 미치겠지만 거기에 버금갈 정도로 투자가 많이 늘고 있어서 그 한중 FTA의 그런 부분에 기대를 하고 기업들이 활발하게 움직이고 있는 게 현장의 그런 모습입니다.
And experts say much more is to come for the two countries as they look into new markets and growth engines in times of low growth in the world economy. While China may be pushing to rebalance its economy, stepping away from heavy investment and manufacturing towards consumption and services, it's also looking for new markets to sell its goods. That, analysts say, might be one of the reasons why Beijing set up the AIIB, or Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, adding to the alphabet soup of international development banks, including the ADB.
중국이 AIIB를 통해서 글로벌 인프라 투자를 하기도 하고 또 중국의 해외 투자가 이미 1,000억 달러가 넘습니다. 이 과정에서 중국과 함께 갈 수 있는 파트너가 절실하게 필요합니다. 예를 들어 동남아 각국이나 중앙아시아에서 중국의 어떤 지나친 세력 확장을 좀 두려워하는 움직임도 있기 때문에 중국이 단독으로 가는 것보다는 뭔가 공동의 어떤 협력 구조를 통해서 새로운 시장을 개척하고자 하는 그런 그 동기가 충분히 있는데 그 과정에서 한국은 이상적인 파트너십을 새로 제공할 수 있는 그런 위치에 있다고 볼 수 있습니다.
But relations between South Korea and China are not just about the economy and trade. The need for stronger strategic alliance between the two nations is gaining more importance than ever in the face of greater military provocations from North Korea. So far this year, Pyongyang has launched over a dozen missiles, almost double the number of tests from all of last year. This has triggered growing anxiety for the South as it finds itself awkwardly positioned between China, its largest trading partner, and the United States, its longtime military ally.
In China's perspective, the SARC have such a broad, implication, which definitely hurt and China's strategic capability for deterrence, and especially the decision to deploy the SARC system in your country happened in a situation that the China and the United States has been engaged in more severe, more profound and comprehensive strategic confrontation and a rivalry in East Asia and Western Pacific.
The two world superpowers have been engaged in intense rivalry over military dominance in the Asian region, with tensions especially running high over the South China Sea. Beijing has rejected an international arbitration panel's ruling in The Hague, invalidating the nation's claims to the disputed waters. China is also planning military exercises with Russia in the body of water next month, which the U.S. says would hurt regional stability. It's against this backdrop that Seoul's decision to deploy THAAD was made, despite threats from North Korea being the main cause. With the U.S. thrown into the mix, tensions have driven South Korea and China to the cusp of fraying bilateral relations.
한중 사이에 전략적 신뢰 관계가 형성되어 있더라도 미중 사이에 전략적 신뢰가 결핍되어 있기 때문에 미국이 어떠한 기술적 또 전략적 설명을 하더라도 중국이 그것을 100% 받아들이지 않는다는 점이 이번 사드의 한국 내 배치의 또 다른 문제점이라고 볼 수 있겠습니다.
This lack of trust also with some major players in the Asian region due to territorial disputes, including the one in the South China Sea, is why the South will remain an important asset for China. So does this mean a soon-to-come turnaround in ties that will prevent relations from hitting rock bottom?
I think that what is tragic for both governments is that they stick on their perceived national vital interests, but they still required to understand other sides, the perceptive, perceived vital interests, and a little more, and have more patience to let the SARC system could have a more, the space of time to, try to, to become a little and cooling down and to prevent this issue itself to destroy or severe damage the enormous fruits of the bilateral relationship and provided in the past 20 years.
K-pop star Hyunna's new title track, How's This?, reverberates throughout this dance academy. The song was released earlier this month, but the students have already mastered the tunes as well as Hyunna's latest choreography. So Yuan, a K-pop fan herself, has been teaching the moves of South Korean artists for a decade now.
对，很喜欢 K-pop， 对韩国的一些这种韩流文化非常的可以说是热爱吧，所以一直从事这个课程授课。
The students also dress to resemble K-pop stars. For them, they're more than just celebrities. They're icons that they want to look like and emulate. And it appears cultural bonds like these established through the Korean wave will be put to the test during politically sensitive times like this.
最近有点那个韩中关系，因为那个 SARC 的问题稍微敏感一些。
知道。
这个是不是有影响你们这个喜欢韩国明星啊、韩国节目呀？有影响吗？
对我个人而言来说的话，这可能就是有关国家政治吧。然后我们的话，作为学生或者作为就是日子，我们喜欢韩流明星，就是学习他的舞蹈，没有什么太多的那个，对于我们来说没有太多的影响。
Experts say this kind of sentiment can be used to further enhance ties and put down stronger roots for the two countries.
그런 의미에서 한국은 대중국 국민을 향한 공공외교를 집중해야 될 시기라고 생각됩니다. 만약 양국 사이에 정서적 반감이 지속된다면은 빨리 회복도 어렵고요. 또 우리가 우려하는 즉 중국 정부가 주도해서 또는 행정적 조치로서 한국에 대한 경제적 보복 조치를 취하는 것이 아니라 중국 국민들 자체적으로 한국에 대한 반감 때문에 한국에 대한 관광객 숫자가 줄어들 것이고 한류를 중심으로 한 문화 콘텐츠 사업도 중국의 문화 콘텐츠 사업을 기업들이 이익을 독점할 가능성도 더 커집니다.
South Korean companies are already actively engaging in social contribution projects within China. According to China's state-run think tank, the Academy of Social Sciences, South Korean conglomerates like Samsung, LG, and Hyundai Motor Group collectively ranked first for corporate social responsibility among major foreign companies in a survey last year. It's efforts like this that experts say will help smooth over rough spots that challenge the resilience of Seoul-Beijing ties.
There are enough chance to dramatically produce the distrust and suspicion, and which definitely may be exaggerated compared with the real situation.
The city of Hangzhou is dotted by security guards and police officers seen every 5 to 10 meters as it gears up to host a major international event. Attention in South Korea is on whether another meeting on the sidelines will take place.
Now, hopes are high for the G20 summit set to take place here in Hangzhou in eastern China, and the possibility that it might lead to a meeting between President Park Geun-hye and Xi Jinping, creating a breakthrough in souring bilateral ties.
Actually, once President Xi Jinping and President Park Geun-hye meet during the Hangzhou G20 meeting, they can set the tone for exit strategy out of this current conflictual relation between the two parties. Both parties know that they cannot afford the continuation of this kind of conflictual situation for a long time.
The intricate web of economic cooperation between South Korea and China, needless to say, highlights the importance of bilateral ties. But how South Korea's blossoming friendship with China can be a force for stability in a region troubled by North Korea and other conflicting interests is a question for both parties to revisit. Amid all this, a snapshot of public sentiment towards each country suggests not much has changed and no clear damage done as of yet.
印象不是，应该是挺时尚的，然后挺干净，我还挺喜欢韩国这个地方的，一直梦想着能够带孩子我们一起去的。
인구도 수도 많고 이제 뭐 나라적으로나 뭐 사업적으로나 그만큼 더 이익을 많이 볼 수 있는 곳이기 때문에
很多娱乐方面的发展。
韩国的 B-boy 特别牛逼。
化妆术。
아마 앞으로는 우리가 많이 쫓기는 단계는 넘어선 것 같아요. 쫓아가야 될 단계인 것 같아요.
뭐 우리한테 문화적으로 영향을 많이 준 나라고.
很浪漫、很风景、很漂亮一个地方。
본받아야 될 정도 많다고 생각해요.
很向往想去的地方。对，一会儿我会带我儿子去的，好不好？去不去？去哈。
제가 볼 때는 중국은 큰 잠재력이 있다.
Patching up differences might not be an easy task, but as long as a steady stream of cultural exchanges stays alive, it's unlikely that things will take a turn for the worst, and the partnership will have a long way ahead for future development, building on the 24 years that South Korea and China have already shared.